Hello, this is Richard Stack. I'm Business Development Manager for Grocer POS, and today I want to take you through a quick overview of how to check out items in the Comcash cashiering system, the front-end POS system. First off, we can see the main Comcash screen. This is to show you that each of your employees can have a PIN code and be able to input their PIN and clock into the system, but not necessarily have access to the POS system. You can then pull time card reports in the back office to be able to put into your payroll system. So for this demonstration, we're going to log in as a cashier. First off, let me just take you around the screen to show you all the main areas. Kind of in the main body on the right is going to be where your products are that are going to be touch related, and you can change the design of this to have fewer or more boxes potentially on each screen. Bottom right, we have the navigation menu, so we can navigate between different pages, and then we can have pages call other pages, so you can go as deep as you want into the touchscreen menu and get very elaborate and creative. We support the use of images or text or a combination of both on the touchscreen buttons. We also then have function keys down the bottom left. These are the most popular ones that are used by our grocery customers, but we also have many more in our database that we've created, so you can do many other types of functions. We have a lot of restaurant type functions that you can add to the system. We also, at the top, we've got the scan window where you can scan or enter the POU. We have a little keyboard icon which you can leave open all the time if you do POU entry by keyboard. And then we also have a product button that takes you into our product database where you can see all the products, the quantities on hand, and you can add new products on the fly. And obviously that is protected by security. So let's go ahead and do an invoice, and we'll ring up all the different types of products that we've got to give you a feel for what we can do. So first off, we're going to put some lettuce on the scale, and we're going to go ahead and just hit the touchscreen button, and that's going to ring up that item. Next, we're going to enter by POU, so we're going to open up our keyboard. We're going to hit 5 quantity. That changes the quantity field. And then we're going to enter a POU and then hit enter. And then so that will ring up that particular POU. We also have the ability to do what we call a lot matrix. So let's say we've got a coffee bar. Someone comes up with a cup of coffee with their food, and we're going to go ahead and select that, and we're going to select the size coffee. We also have the ability to do lottery. So someone may buy a lottery ticket, enter the amount, and they come in with a winning lottery ticket, and we'll enter the payout right in the same invoice, and we manage all the accounting in the back office appropriately for lottery. Next, we're going to scan an item. So we scan that. We actually scanned a liquor item, so we set up in the database that anytime a liquor item is scanned, you need to prompt for the age. And in this case, I'm over 21, so it's obvious, so the clerk can just go ahead and close that out. But they also have the ability to scan a driver's license or enter the date in that field. We also, since we are a hybrid POS system where we do support restaurant operations, more and more of our customers have in-house restaurants. We have the ability to go ahead and create a deli-type menu where we can have the main product and have that jump to a modifier screen, and then we can select a couple modifiers, and we indent those modifiers on the invoice, and we can have modifiers that you upcharge for if necessary. We also have the ability to do customer tracking and customer loyalty, so you can issue out customer cards, or you can go and search for that customer. So we'll go ahead and pull this customer into the invoice. Down at the bottom, we can see that they've got a balance due on the account, and they also have a loyalty balance. So you can do house accounts if necessary, if you provide that, and we also do loyalty where you can reward your customers. Other things that the system can handle are online orders, so you can have a website that takes an online catering order and that drops down into the system. and you can also take catering orders over the phone and then build those orders and then build work orders off of that. So now that we've rung up this invoice, we'll go ahead and tender it out. Hit the tender button. We've got some quick cash buttons. We've got all of our different tender types. We do have integrated signature capture and pin pad capability. In this case, we'll go ahead and tender this out to cash. And since we had a deli order, the system actually, in this case, we would have printed it in the kitchen, but I'm going to just show you on a PDF that the system can actually generate a kitchen ticket. It's pretty unique. We don't know of another POS system that spans all these type of operations. So I hope you enjoyed this, and obviously this was a quick overview, and we'd be more than happy to take you through a more in-depth demonstration of the system. So please give us a call. Thank you very much.